When unpredictability is the rule, not the exception, power is never tamed by chance. It listens only to calm hands, steady eyes, and discipline. True mastery is not domination. It is respect for the power you command and the road you conquer. When power meets respect, when strength bows to control, a new kind of mastery emerges. Safety, and it defines every journey. When the storm doesn't wait for permission, mastery is put to the test, all with one purpose. Systems that respond to the driver's command, not just to assist, but to elevate the driving experience. Because mastery isn't one skill, it's a mindset, supported by intelligent systems but shaped by the driver's discipline. UD Questers are built for stability, durability and smooth control over long hours, heavy loads and shifting terrain. This is not brute force, it is rhythm, precision, mastery that endures mile after mile. This is what truck mastery looks like. Not an emergency avoided, but a day completed exactly as planned with one shared principle: deliver with care, command with confidence. At UD Trucks, mastery is engineered into everything we do.